Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Awafani from the 17th to the 21st of August 2026 on Monday. A tense trip back to the hotel leaves Sugar Basin more ashamed than ever when the Dumas are forced to rescue him. Sabelo's hustles to win back a powerful promoter, while Star's growing celebrity status pushing her to dream bigger for herself and Nosi on Tuesday. Tension exploded when Thembi and Sugar Basin are forecast to confront the growing cracks in their marriage. Star discover the ugly side of fame, and Sabelo and Defender finally catch a break on Wednesday. Thembi and Sugar Basin face more consequences of his illegal work. Sabelo gets good news, but they are made by something he sees on Kenos's phone. Star once more allows social media trolls to get better of her, and Sandla returns home on Thursday. Sabelo follows Kenosi to a hotel where a devastating betrayal awaits behind a closed door. Sugar Basin fight to stay on the straight and narrow. Star learns Fames comes with a strict rule on Friday. Sabelo comes face to face with a familiar dead man. Meanwhile, peace, love, and healing reign in home of a nobleman. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.